We're back in Taiwan, Suri. Mommy's the best.
Snoring, right?
Where's baby Suri? Suri, your cousins.
笑一笑，笑笑，不不不不不不不不不。
Suri! Solids for the first time. Trying, what is it, Wayne? Banana?
给他插嘴一下。Yummy yummy 啊，有一个好白，一个好黑哦。Look, look.
Smiling, look at the camera, huh?
Look.
So pretty, huh?
Look.
Yeah, did you like your solids? When that was our first solids.
Yeah. Banana. Pajama.
Oh, baby, it's okay. Doc said you can have solids now. What was your first solid?
I don't know. 他喜欢吃哎。哦。
Her face. What is this? What is this texture? It's not milk.
他还没试过。
Yummy,
yummy.
Hey, baby. You did good. Hello. Okay, baby. Oh. There you go. Sleeping with Amma. Hello.
Hello.
We're back in Taiwan, Suri.
Yeah, in front of the Taipei 101 this time.
Oh yeah. Suri, here come the curtains.
Look outside.
Suri.
Wow.
Look, Suri, it's Taipei 101.
I watched her last night because this is so low.
What time did you wake up?
Huh?
She was sleeping most of the night.
She got up at 3 to drink some milk, and then she got up at 5 again to drink milk.
Baby and mommy, how are you guys? Yeah, when I woke up, I saw you guys were gone, and I thought you brought her to breakfast, and then I didn't know you were.
I'm still watching her.
Mommy's the best.
Pat was snoring, right?
I was.
Like Daddy was snoring so loud.
So loud. Hi, baby, you and me. Swappies, get ready with me.
Swaps.
Go, Annie. Hi, baby. Don't put me on camera.
Whatever, you put me on camera. Hey, what's up? My mom's coming already.
So early. I thought you said she was coming after lunch.
I thought so also, but they're already done.
Oh, really? It's gonna be party with baby Suri.
My mom is bringing you like a breakfast thing. I told her you like peanut butter and ham and cheese together. Whoa!
Is that your big plan?
Yeah, mix it together.
What's the plan for Taiwan this week, man?
Lots of eating food, bubble tea, and
Suri.
Suri. Exploring.
She likes to hold.
She's always liked to hold.
Winnie, back in Taiwan with Suri.
Suri.
Oh, she's just doing tummy time.
Yeah.
Tummy time. You okay, baby girl? Yeah.
She was majorly crying yesterday.
You're uncomfortable.
I think her stomach hurt. That's why.
Because she was trying solids. Yeah, you're happy now. Excited to chill today? Suri, so pretty. Bless you.
Hi everyone. 你好，每个人，我是苏丽，我在台湾了，我会讲中文，我很厉害，我很厉害。
Whoa!
Whoa!
Whoa, you're rolling over?
Roll over, roll over.
Hello. Okay, good. Agoy. Oh, good. You're so pretty. Wow, you're so playful, huh? You're in a good mood? Love you. Wo ai ni. Hola, man.
Well, going to Amma's house.
Gonna have like a dinner with the fam, yeah?
Yeah. Exciting.
Where's baby Suri?
And my mom. Mom's carrying her.
Oh, there she is. Mom making friends with people, commenting on Suri. Yeah, baby. Lanny, back at Amas. Baby, we're here.
打球打来的，哎，没有，在这里，在这里。
注意。Yay.
他也要摸了。
Very nice.
你的，妹妹啦。
哎，李佑。
你这个。啊，你跟老师好。 妹没有。
Give to Suri. Give to Suri. 你好。
他好喜欢哥
你
哥
好
哦。你看，
对
baby
，baby.
不 Peggy Peggy 吗
Yeah.
me baby 呀
Yeah.
Yeah.
啊，坐下来。
Sylvie. 你好。你好。
坐下来。
Suri, your cousins. Yay, Elio.
Ariel 想要抱他的。
妈妈这样子很
What's your
你看，你
headline?
看，你看，哎呦，你看哥哥，好棒哦！嗯
Wow.
嗯，你看哥哥好棒哦！
阿妈收一
哇
来了，
收你收你来了，好。阿妈收你收你来了，好。阿妈你来遮坐，阿妈你来遮坐，干翕翕相。
卡酷的了你在家里
Baby girl.
你在叫阿妈。
Hey, baby. You're doing good. Hey, with your cousins. Oh, look, baby Sylvie. Wow, yay with Alma, Suri.
坐旁边，
然后全部一起
一起
照。
一起，然后
Elio 你在里面
在这里，哥哥在这边。
摆这样那种
Wow.
好，1、2、3。Elio 你要笑一下。
Sylvie, look here.
Elio 好，
Ariel，
在这里看。Elio
Sylvie.
Sylvie 过来，
妹妹看，
妹妹看这里，笑一笑，
笑。
笑。
Wow, yay.
哇，笑。
Sylvie. Yay. Very pretty. Yay.
okay
Nice. Very pretty. Yeah, you're gonna smile.
Smile.
He wants to play what Sevi's
Video
playing.
game，
Play
他
with
说
Sylvie.
video
Here, let's
game。
go. Savvy will play with Elio, okay?
拿睡衣，
你 say hi Savvy，你说 hi。
Savvy, say hi, Elio. Elio's here. Can you say hi?
没有
Savvy, if you look in the game, Elio's playing as my character. He's in my house now.
什么？你要我抱抱？你要我抱抱吗？
赶紧，
妹妹。
哇，耶！
哇 we got
乌啦乌嘞。
好多
好，不要。
Hello, baby. How you doing? How you doing? You're sitting up on your own. You're a big girl. We're waiting for mommy. There you go. Yeah, look at you, huh? You're such a good girl. Wow, you're a big girl, huh? You like tummy time? Hi, Winnie.
宝宝，
Good
外国的好
afternoon.
宝宝。
Amma.
阿妈 no makeup，
Yeah, having fun with Amma?
阿妈 no makeup，
Amma no
looks
makeup?
ugly。
No, still pretty. Yay. Yeah, smiling. Ah! You're smiling for the camera. You're so used to it. Are you? You're smiling? Oh man. Winnie, she knows to smile. Look. Yeah, baby Suri. So cute.
Okay, enough.
Yeah.
可爱哦。
Somebody has upgraded to the front. Front. She likes it. Yay!
What's up?
Gonna get food.
I'm gonna try some makazao. I'm gonna try the cocoa brownie. You gonna try it?
No.
Cocoa brownie McFlurry, baby. What you doing, man? Getting what?
Corrector.
Oh,
Annoying thing here when I put on makeup.
like a blemish.
Yeah.
Trying out the sea salt caramel latte. Annie, what are we getting? Winnie gonna go look it around. Winnie loves the Muji. Is this like your ultimate end goal for every day, if ever? Look at me, show me. You're pretty. Nice. It smells good in here.
Yeah.
Well, I guess we're in the fragrance part.
Look at all the stuff they have here.
We're going back to Suri, Wan? Oh, photos first.
And then multi dancer.
Then back to Suri. Baby Suri.
Baby Suri, sore. That's my mom always say.
Yeah. Her mom's so sweet to Suri.
I know, right?
She must have been so nice to you also, right? Yeah. That meme is so
I
funny.
sent her a meme yesterday.
Yeah.
You know the dinosaur
Rex.
from
Toy Story.
It was like my mom to my grandchild, my mom to me, and then the next picture is my mom to me, and it's a picture of a Jurassic Park dinosaur.
T-Rex, yeah. And to Suri, she's like Rex from Toy Story.
Yeah, that is facts. That's hashtag facts. My mom's scary. Anyone who is close to me has seen my mom yell at me.
Yeah, out of love.
Hashtag trauma. Unpacking all the trauma.
You're dumping. Wow, Anne, you look good. Oh. Oh yeah, stay there. Go, Anne. Super shy. Looking like Amatina here with the haircut, huh?
I'm my own person. For all my life, everybody said, you look like this person, you look like that. What about who looks like me? Huh? You ever think about that?
Who looks like you? Oh, Farquaad. Just kidding. Why are you so pretty?
Why do I always look like unattractive?
No, that's not true. I always say you look like a child, and then you ignore it. You ignore all the comments. This is where we got our Molly, our Suri baby. Yeah, a lot of cool merches here. Merchies. You don't like the Harry Potter ones?
No.
Oh, there's Lord of the Rings. Lord of the Rings one's cute. So cute. Hello.
The eyes
Yeah.
and the face. Yeah, it looks like you.
And the Molly. I like Molly. Do you want to get it?
No.
Because if Wanny gets one, she gets them all.
Yeah.
Just get one.
I know.
No.
We need to have a bigger version of the Hasipupu.
I'll try to take some photos of Wan crossing the street. We go to dinners, baby. Wow. Ready to go to dinner. Baby, look. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, burpee. There you are, pretty girl. Yeah. Yeah, you like to smile? Yay. Pretty girl. Love you. Wa-aini. We're excited. Alright, we're gonna go to dinner.
The aircon is cold.
Yeah, it's cold for your head. Good girl. Good girl, huh?